Ever wondered if that free charting platform you're using is actually helping or hindering your trading journey? Or perhaps you're tired of clunky interfaces and limited tools. Today, we're diving deep into TradingView to answer one crucial question: is TradingView a good trading platform? TradingView has exploded in popularity, becoming a household name for millions of traders worldwide. But what makes it so appealing, and does it truly live up to the hype? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about the charting. This is where TradingView truly shines. Their supercharts offer an unparalleled level of detail and customization. You're not just getting basic line graphs, you're looking at over 20 chart types, including Renko, KJ, and point and figure, along with more than 110 smart drawing tools. Whether you're a seasoned technical analyst or just starting out, the sheer breadth of options means you can tailor your view to exactly what you need. Add to that over 400 built-in indicators and a staggering 100,000 plus community-built indicators, and you have an analytical powerhouse at your fingertips. You can analyze everything from stocks and forex to crypto and commodities across over 150 exchanges in 50-plus countries. This global coverage ensures you're never limited in what you can track. Beyond the charts, TradingView offers robust tools like screeners, allowing you to filter through millions of assets based on a multitude of criteria. Their alert system is also incredibly versatile, letting you set up price, indicator, or even strategy-based alerts that notify you across various devices. This means you can stay informed of crucial market movements without being glued to your screen. But it's not just about the tools. TradingView fosters a vibrant social community. Imagine having access to millions of other traders, sharing ideas, analyses, and custom scripts. The Ideas section lets you publish your market analysis and get feedback, while the community scripts offer a treasure trove of user-created indicators. There are live chat rooms, video streams from other traders, and a Minds feed that acts like a social media timeline, but solely focused on market insights. This collaborative environment is invaluable for learning, seeking inspiration, and refining your strategies. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: cost. TradingView does offer a free basic plan, which is a fantastic starting point for beginners. You get access to essential charting tools and community features. However, for serious traders, the free plan quickly becomes limiting. It has ads, restricted indicators per chart, and fewer saved layouts. Paid plans, Essential, Plus, and Premium, unlock progressively more features, including an ad-free experience, more charts per tab, increased indicators, advanced chart types, deeper historical data, and priority support. While these come with a monthly fee, many consider it a worthy investment given the comprehensive suite of tools and the substantial edge they provide. They also offer annual discounts. So, is TradingView a good trading platform? Absolutely. For its powerful charting, extensive analytical tools, and a thriving social community, it stands out as one of the best. While the free plan is a great taste, unlocking its full potential often means subscribing to a paid plan. But for those serious about their trading, it's a decision that can significantly enhance their market analysis and decision-making. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.